In this video, you will learn about Azure RTOS ThreadX and TraceX, from installing E2 Studio to creating a project and installing and using TraceX. The hardware used is the Renesas EKRA6M3 board, which is equipped with Seger's J-Link, so debugging is possible with this board alone. Microsoft Azure RTOS includes Azure RTOS ThreadX, an advanced real-time operating system designed specifically for deeply embedded applications. Azure RTOS ThreadX is provided as a C library, so only services that are actually used are linked. Azure RTOS ThreadX has the following features. TraceX is a host-based graphical analysis tool from Microsoft Corporation that allows developers to visualize real-time system events. It provides detailed execution information, including event timing, task execution profiles, and performance statistics, enabling users to detect bugs and identify performance bottlenecks. Here's how to make it work with the latest tools based on the application notes. Install E2 Studio version 2022. Please download and install it from the website. Refer to the video and install it according to the window that appears. Install Microsoft Azure RTOS TraceX. Please install it from Microsoft website. Start E2 Studio and create a new project. Select the Renesas RA project and click Next. Enter a project name and click Next. Select the EKRA6M3 board from the board selection. Select Azure RTOS ThreadX in the RTOS selection as shown on the screen. Check the Blinky project and click Finish. Next, click Open Perspective on the window that appears. Check the status of jumpers J8, J9, and J29 before connecting the EKRA6M3 board to the PC. Create a new Blinky project. Enter the project name RA_Azure RTOS ThreadX. Select the EKRA6M3 board from the board selection. Click Next. Select Azure RTOS ThreadX from the list of RTOS selections. Check the Blinky project and click Finish. A project is created. Select the Stacks tab and click on Blinky thread. Open the Blinky thread settings properties and change the event trace under Trace to Enabled. Change all items in Performance to Enabled. Click Generate Project Content and click Proceed to generate. Build the generated project. Run debugging from Debug Configurations. Open RTOS resource and make sure ThreadX OS is selected. Execute the program and stop it. Information is displayed on the Thread tab. Open Stack Setting from the RTOS resource menu. Make sure Enable Loading Stack Data is checked and set to 80%. Open tx_user.h and register g_tx_trace_buffer to the variable watch. Open Monitor Memory and enter the address of g_tx_trace_buffer. In Export Memory, set Format to Raw Binary and Length to 65536. Enter and save the file name as RA_Azure RTOS ThreadX.trx. The Azure TraceX data file has now been created. Start Azure RTOS TraceX and load the trace data file you just created. Trace information is displayed when a data file is read. The sequential view events are shown immediately following each other regardless of the elapsed time between them. It helps to get an overview of how the system works. The time view mode is especially useful to see where the bulk of the processing is taking place in the system. It helps to tune the system to improve performance and responsiveness. For a detailed explanation of TraceX, please refer to the following Microsoft website. There is also a RA user forum that you can take advantage of.